Now, I know what you're going to say. Like, why do you go to France or something, you know? If you lost your marbles or something? Quite the opposite. Look, I've got them all here in this box. All my marbles. Tonight I'm finishing up episode 22 and I'm going to look for a van which will help me in the future to not be homeless. So that's a thing, because I'm going to sell this caravan and I need a place to stay in the meanwhile while I'm looking for a place in France. So as you saw, I'm cleaning out my house. I have this case of comic books. Those are going to my brother, and some stuff left here that I really don't know what to do with it. Maybe store it somewhere. Then we have the last things that I took out of the garage, which entailed a ladder and some old porcelain things, but they aren't much worth anything. So this pile here is totally gone, and the garage is gone, and that little room is gone. So progress all around. That's what I'm looking for. So today I'm going to bring that to the secondhand shop and hope that somebody is happy with it. You know, on my previous videos, somebody asked me, what are these caravans going for approximately? So here in the Netherlands there is a housing crisis, and I know for a fact that this camping alone has a waiting list for about 20 people or so. So they are pretty much very well in demand, and these things cost about 30 to 40 to 50 to sometimes 100,000 euros. So yeah, it's like small housing, but it's probably more for people that are switching for, you know, going away from their parents and move into something that is temporarily, and you know, repair this or trying to restaurate something that they like to see in these caravans and then sell them again and use that money for the deposit on a mortgage. So I did that, but it's not going to work here in the Netherlands because there's a housing crisis, and I can't afford something that costs about 4.5 tons of money, 450,000 euros. I'm alone, it's undoable. I need to make at least 80,000 euros a year, and that's not going to work. So I'm going to move to France and find me a decent home and repair that one and see if I can, you know, build something that is totally mine. And that is something I want. So we're going to work on it, and soon I'm going to be able to buy a van. That van, I'm going to be totally redesigning it for home purposes. My daughter is going to stay with my ex for that duration, and when I'm in France, then things are going to change. I'm going to continue working, but also working on a new mushroom farm. I've done market research. I've done all the intel on mushroom farming alone. I have a certain amount of knowledge of mycology, so and that way I don't I'm not easily scared. I have done some extensive research on mushroom farming, temperatures, and how contamination gets involved in the equation. So I am certain that things are going to work for me on the mushroom farm, and I hope to earn a substantial amount of money per year. I have different kinds of places that I can sell my mushrooms to, so and that will be explained in a later video, because I want openness and transparency in the things that I do, that people will see exactly what I do. And I know these videos are not of the highest quality, but I'm going to work on that. So yeah, that's something I definitely have to do. Well, today I'm going to work in and around the house, so you'll be able to see that, and bring the stuff to the secondhand shop. It's just totally gift, so I don't receive anything from it, and yeah, that's about it. Well, I just dumped everything at the Sandhagen shop, and they were really glad with it, so they wanted everything, so that's nice. Now I'm going for lunch, and then I'm going to work at home, so I have to do a lot. Maybe maybe go to right here and get myself some glue, because I saw that some of the strips were coming down from the walls, so I have to reattach them. Yep, that's my goal for today. Just reattach some stuff, maybe paint some stuff, and after that it's we'll see. First going to my colleagues here, and then get some glue. Now, I know what you're going to say. Like, why do you go to France or something, you know? If you lost your marbles or something? Quite the opposite. Look, I've got them all here in this box. All my marbles. This box is, I don't know, 50 by a meter, something like that, 50 high. This box contained one of the first typewriters that came to Holland, like a handheld typewriter. And I've hang on to this box, I don't know why, but well, it's like a chest for me, you know. When I was a kid, that was my treasure chest. And I think I'm going to keep it, but I have to store it in the meanwhile. I hope to revive this, or, you know, uplift the colors and do it justice as it was about 70 years ago. So, yeah. It's a pretty cool box. Anyway, it's from Amsterdam BNS. I have no idea what it means, but it sure is fun to find out. You know, I've been cleaning up my garage, and there are so many stuff that you keep holding on to, which you don't need. You know, somewhat of a DIY person. You can't throw things away because you might need them somewhere in the future. It's exhausting. And if you have that same problem, just let me know in the comments, because I'm looking forward to answering them or reading them as I clean up this mess. You know, sometimes I just think, like, you know, throw it away and buy something new, but that's just a waste of money. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, we'll see. This is my first screwdriver when I was a kid. It's really small. that's all the time we had for today. Now it's the evening already and I'm a bit tired. I've done things in between all these things that I do, okay? So it's not just that. And you know, my daughter was picked up at 10:30 this morning, so that's another a few hours that I can't get any work done. And yeah, the trip to the secondhand shop took me about 1.5 to 2 hours tops. So, and in between I made a video already, had some lunch, do all sorts of things, and now this pile has been accumulated already. This is all going to the junkyard, including this stuff all over here. This is also going to the junkyard. That's going to be done on Monday. It's open 12 o'clock in the afternoon, so I've got some stuff to do. And tomorrow I'll probably be painting or doing some kit work and maybe do the seating. So yeah, that's it for today. So subscribe, like, leave a comment. We're only here to entertain you. So enjoy, and I'll see you next time.